Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft Legends crashing problems. If you want to fix it, click here. First go to Task Manager and then close all the applications that you don't need when playing. You must know what they do, and then click here. Go to Windows Update Settings and check for updates, and then do the same thing here in GeForce Experience. Just check for updates in drivers, and that's it. After that, just close it and go back, try again. Now if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to View Advanced System Settings, go to Settings, click Adjust for Best Performance, and then Apply and OK. And after that, just close it, and of course you can make it for best appearance whenever you want. Now just make it for best performance, and go to Enable Xbox Game Bar and turn off this option. Then go to Graphics Settings and turn on Hardware Accelerated, and you can skip this one if you want. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.